Hello techies, I hope you are doing well. So in this video you will be provided with the procedures on how to set up Jupyter Notebook in your browser like Microsoft Edge or Chrome, whatever you are using. So let's start. So first of all, we will install two softwares which are Python and Python Anaconda. So for installing Python, just type Python download and visit the first website and download it from here, the latest version of Python. So I have downloaded already. So the step is, after, visit the file explorer, this PC and the C drive, and go to the user section, and which is your username folder. Go with this, go to the app data, roaming, and here you can see the Python folder. Now you have to do one thing. After installing Python, you need to set environment variables of it. For this, you need to set up two paths. First is Python 3.11 and the second one is scripts folder. So for Python 3.11 you need to copy this path, and for the scripts folder double click on it and copy this path. Okay, so now open environment variables, click on this environment variables and click on this path and click the edit option. See here, I have already set up these two paths. That one is scripts folder and another one is Python 3.11 folder. So just copy the path from here. First this path, double click on it and simply copy it from here and just paste it here by clicking on this new section. Just paste here. After that, go to the scripts folder, copy this path again and again click on this new option, paste it here and click on this OK button. Because I have already set up these steps, that's why I am removing from here. And now click on this OK button, again OK, again OK. So now you have installed Python, also the setup of the Python in your environment variables. Now the next step is to download the Anaconda. So just type Anaconda, download. See, there are two ways to run the Jupyter Notebook in your browser. First is using command prompt and the second one is using Anaconda prompt. So here I am showing you with the Anaconda prompt method. Download this by visiting this website, this official website of the Anaconda. Now enter your email address here and check this agree button, click on submit. Now you can see an email sent to your email address. Just visit your Gmail wait for some time. I think there is a network connection error, that's why it's not loading. visit this Gmail. Okay, so now I am connected with the internet. So yeah, next step is visit Gmail and you can see an email from the Anaconda. I think we need to again send the mail. Yes. Now the option is to download it from here also. So we can download this Anaconda Python from here. Okay. So I have already downloaded it. So I don't need to download again. So after downloading and installing this Anaconda software, just search it here for and write Anaconda. You can see Anaconda prompt, Anaconda navigator. This is mainly an application, so you don't need to open this application, just go with Anaconda prompt and write here Jupyter Notebook and hit the enter button. Now it will open in your browser just like Edge or Chrome. So you can see this Jupyter Notebook has been opened in your Edge browser. Now from here you can create a new Jupyter Notebook file by clicking on this new option and this notebook. Select this IPY kernel and just write some code like print hello Jupyter and run this. See, the output is here. Now you can run here any Python code as well as related to data science, machine learning. So now you have set up with the Jupyter Notebook in your browser. So these are the simple procedures that you can follow and do the same from your side. So thanks for watching. We will meet in this next video. Thank you so much.